Hello guys. Today we have a Samsung laptop. Anyway, I hope you can see someone bent this board, and here we have a missing Mosfet. But I think this coil it's okay, along with a fuse. I don't think something happened there. I believe everything it's working, but except the missing Mosfet, and that's bent Mosfet. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's remove this Mosfet. Okay, we need to remove this Mosfet, and then after that we have to jump this one. It's either we install another Mosfet or we jump it, but either way this whole section it's bad now. Someone messed around with this thing, so the only thing that I can do here, I can try to install another okay, let me see. Okay, anyway guys, it's not that bad. You know what, let's apply flaxy and then try to remove the bent Mosfet without taking out the rail, I mean the power rail. I'm not sure if that is possible or not, but we can give it a try. Let's try and see. Okay guys, anyway, I hope you saw it's not possible. So what do we do here? We have to be very careful. Let me show you the thing. Let's go to our desktop. Here we have a schematic. I'm looking for a charger section. Okay, there it is. All right, this is our charger section, I believe. Then here we have a fuse. This is the one. We have a fuse here. Where is it? Okay, this is the fuse. We have a fuse here, and we have a coil. Yep, we do have a coil. Now what about those two Mosfets? Let's zoom out. Okay, here they are. We have those two Mosfets. After those two Mosfets, we have a current sensor here. Okay, so we have to go back there. All right, here we are. According to our schematic, there is a fuse here. This is a fuse. After a fuse, there is a coil, and then after a coil, we have two Mosfets, and this one is gone completely. Even the pads are gone. We have to try to fix this. Okay, and here there is a what? There is a current sensor. Even the current sensor is gone. Everything this side is just gone. Right, so let's check again. Yeah, there's a first MOSFET and the second MOSFET. All of them are N channel MOSFETs, and we have a current sensor and the power course all over the board. So what we have to do here, it's simple guys. Let's try to create those pads. It's gonna be hard, but it's okay. Let's give it a try and see what will happen. Okay, let's start by putting back the MOSFET. Right here I have a donor board. Now I have to check check the N channel MOSFET. Where is it? Okay, there it is. I believe this is the N channel MOSFET. Yep, it is the N channel MOSFET. Let's take one. Okay, done. We took one. Okay, now what about this one here? Try to clean this flow. Okay guys, so from here, what do you think we should do? I'm just thinking. Oh, okay guys, we need a current sensor for for certain reasons. First, number one, the board, it needs to sense how many power it will drawing from the charger. So that's why we need a current sensor. It's very important. You need a current sensor. Okay, we are done. So now we need to join this. I believe this is coming from the okay, I believe this is one of the current sensors going to a chip, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'll break this thing. Let me just go ahead, I'll break this. Okay, done. Then after this, I will right, then take a soldering iron, we combine those two there. Okay, now try to combine this jumper wire with the current sensor. Okay, but now we don't want that bridge over there. We don't want that bridge over there. Okay, this is perfect. Okay. Okay, let's use a multimeter. Let's see if we have a short or not. Because, okay, there's no short. There's no short. Let's check the continuity from here to here. Okay, there is continuity. Even from here, there is continuity. Okay. But now I'm worried about one thing. The gate is shorted with the other pins. I believe the short is somewhere. Okay, from here to here, there's no short. Okay, we have a short on this capacitor. Let's remove this capacitor. Even these resistors, let's check down those resistors, because now they have no use. I will explain why I removed those resistors. They have no use. They have no use. Okay, one more time. Let's check for shorts. Okay, no shorts. No shorts. No shorts. Now, let's check the continuity from here to here. As you can see now, the gate is no longer shorted with the 19 volts. Because why? I removed those resistors. Alright. Now, time for us to check the spot. We have to check the spot if it's working or not.
Hello guys, as you can see, I'm plugging in the laptop, I'm pushing on the power button, the lights are coming on, and the screen is working. It's just a broken screen. As you can see, it's now working, as it's coming with errors and working.